South Tech is another opportunity for students to focus on career-oriented pathways as juniors and seniors. So there's a variety of different programs that Tech offers that really will meet students' interests.
I wanted to take this program because I felt like Mehlville had a lot to offer, but not more in depth about like dentistry and what I want to do with the future with dentistry. I've been able to learn more about the teeth in general, also make models certain parts of the teeth. I think being able to be hands-on kind of prepares me for if I wanted to work in a dental office like right now as an assistant or something. It could kind of give me the information and the knowledge.
I decided to take Cisco because of how I liked computers and I enjoyed technology, and this kind of seemed right up my alley. We work a lot with the network and like learning how the internet works and kind of figuring out how different securities and all that work for the computers. It's kind of the best place to be if you have a certain subject you want to learn, because they accommodate for each and every student, and you get a lot more personal time with the teacher.
I was introduced by my school, and they were telling me about how South Tech has so many different programs, but I was obviously into teaching, and I was asking if they had a teaching program, and they said they had early childhood education, which I was definitely interested in. We get to choose which school we want to go to, do an internship to, and I think that it's such a good opportunity, like this program for me, because then I get a glimpse into my future, basically. I love this program, and I love the school, I love the atmosphere, and everyone's so helpful here, and they've done a lot for me. And I feel like I've matured and I've grown up, and I think this place is really good, and I think I recommend it for sure.